the water. Is that Nora? Here. Here.
Wow.
Get that. Here, Pop. Go. Go see Nora. What?
Happy.
Hi.
Happy. It's nice. I know it's scary. You haven't been to that side yet. I know.
Here, ready?
Nora? Nora, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm going to go this far now.
Poppy. You don't get that one too.
Yes, she has no. Oh,
Poppy.
and you got nothing. That's a good girl, though.
Poppy, get that out of your mouth.
Oh, okay. There's a stick now. There's a stick. You can do it, Pop.
What?
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go on, go on. Oh, are you choking now?
You can't have the stick and the ball. Oh, almost.
Always do. Poppy, you want this one? Are you ready? I'm trying it.
Oh, Poppy, you lost your natural water advantage. Oh,
There you go. That's a good girl.
bring it back, sweetie. Oh, what fun.
Have another one. June, June, you want it? You want it?
Get the ball, Judy. Good girl.
Poppy, you want one?
Oh.
What happened?
They both missed the ball, and Nora jumped in the air and landed in Poppy. Hi. Everyone's got a ball.
So cute.
Poppy, they're not calling you.